This AI-powered transcription service made me an extra $2,400 last quarter, and I'm about to show you how it's possible, right now, because the demand for high-quality transcripts is skyrocketing. The reason I'm sharing this with you today is that I've seen a significant increase in clients willing to pay top dollar for accurate and timely transcripts, and if you're not taking advantage of this, you're leaving money on the table. What most people do wrong when trying to capitalize on this trend is they either try to do the transcription work themselves, which is time-consuming and often inaccurate, or they outsource it to low-cost providers who compromise on quality. The result is a subpar transcript that's not worth paying for. I've seen this happen time and time again, and it's a waste of everyone's time and money. The actual method I use to generate these high-quality transcripts involves a combination of AI-powered tools and a bit of human oversight. First, I use a tool called Trint to automatically transcribe the audio or video file. This tool is incredibly accurate, but it's not perfect, and that's where the human element comes in. I then review the transcript, making any necessary corrections and edits to ensure it's 100% accurate. The next step is to use another AI tool to analyze the transcript and identify any key themes, topics, or keywords. This is where the real value lies, as it allows me to provide additional insights and analysis to my clients, making the transcript even more valuable. I've found that this extra step is what sets my services apart from others and justifies the higher price point. I've been using this workflow for a few months now, and the results have been impressive. Not only have I increased my earnings by 30%, but I've also reduced the time it takes to complete each project by 50%. This is because the AI tools are doing the heavy lifting, allowing me to focus on the high-value tasks that require human expertise. To give you a better idea of the potential, I've worked with clients across various industries, from podcasters to videocasters, and even corporate clients who need transcripts for training purposes. The demand is there, and it's not just limited to English-speaking clients. I've also worked with clients who need transcripts in multiple languages, which is where the AI tools really shine. The cost of using these AI tools is relatively low, especially when you consider the potential earnings. I pay around $100 per month for the Trint subscription, and the analysis tool costs another $50 per month. That's a total of $150 per month, which is a fraction of what I earn from each project. If you're interested in getting started with this workflow, the first step is to sign up for a Trint account and familiarize yourself with the platform. It's easy to use, and they offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. The next step is to find a reliable analysis tool that can help you extract insights from the transcripts. I recommend doing some research and reading reviews to find the best tool for your needs. Once you have the tools in place, it's time to start marketing your services. This is where most people struggle, as they're not sure how to find clients or price their services. My advice is to start by reaching out to your existing network, whether it's friends, family, or colleagues, and let them know about your new service. You can also use social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter to promote your services and attract new clients. In terms of pricing, it's essential to research your competition and understand the market rates for transcription services. I charge anywhere from $200 to $500 per project, depending on the complexity and length of the transcript. This may seem high, but trust me, it's worth it. The clients who are willing to pay this price are the ones who value high-quality work and are willing to pay for it. If you're still unsure about getting started, I recommend taking a closer look at your current workflow and identifying areas where you can automate or outsource tasks. This will free up more time for you to focus on high-value tasks and earn more money. Remember, the key to success is to provide high-quality services that clients are willing to pay for, and to use the right tools to streamline your workflow. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, this workflow requires some effort to set up, but the potential earnings are well worth it. If you're willing to put in the work, you can earn a significant income from providing high-quality transcription services. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Trint, find an analysis tool, and start marketing your services today. You can thank me later when you're earning an extra $2,400 per quarter. The potential for this workflow is enormous, and I'm not the only one who thinks so. I've spoken to several other entrepreneurs who are using similar workflows to generate significant incomes. The key is to find the right tools, to be willing to put in the effort to set up the workflow, and to market your services effectively. I've also experimented with using other AI tools to automate other parts of my workflow, such as project management and client communication. While these tools are not directly related to transcription, they've helped me to streamline my business and free up more time to focus on high-value tasks. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to earn a significant income from providing high-quality transcription services, I highly recommend using a combination of AI-powered tools and human oversight. It's a workflow that's proven to be highly effective, and it's something that I'll continue to use and recommend to others. So, if you're ready to get started, sign up for Trint, find an analysis tool, and start marketing your services today.